Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise chapter Weather and Seasons. Weather changes every day. Weather जो है हर रोज चेंज होता है. The condition of heat, wind, cloudiness, etc. of a place on a particular day is called weather. What if weather remains same for many days? Then it will be a season. When the weather remains same for many days, जब weather बहुत दिनों के लिए same रहता है तो वो उसे हम season कहते हैं. And there are 5 seasons: spring season, summer season, rainy season, autumn season and winter season. Fine. Spring is the pleasant season. Spring season जो है वो सबसे pleasant होता है. इसमें जो weather है हमेशा pleasant रहता है, अच्छा रहता है, moderate रहता है, ना ही ज़्यादा ठंडा होता है और ना ही ज़्यादा गर्म होता है. Days are bright and hot in the summer season. Summer season में days bright होते हैं और hot होते हैं. And days are longer than the nights. And in rainy season brings rain after hot summer season. रेनी सीजन जो है रेन्स लाता है बहुत समर सीजन के बाद, जो कि आजकल चल रहा है. रेनी सीजन है ना, इसे हम मॉनसून भी कहते हैं. It brings cool wind and heavy showers of rain with it. We need umbrellas and raincoat to keep us dry. Rain washes all the dust. Sometimes we may see a rainbow in the sky which looks very beautiful. अब रेनबो क्या होता है? रेनबो is a curved arc of light of 7 colors across the sky. Now the trees shed their leaves during autumn season. Autumn season में क्या करते हैं? trees जो है अपनी leaves को shed कर देते हैं, उनकी झड़ जाते हैं leaves. They need to prepare themselves for very cold winter season. बहुत cold winter season के लिए वो अपने आप को prepare करते हैं. The weather turns cooler in this season. इस season में weather जो है बहुत ठंडा हो जाता है. Now winter season, the weather is very cold in winter season. The days are shorter and the nights are longer, while in summer season days are longer and the nights are shorter. We wear warm woolen clothes in winter season. Winter season में हम warm woolen clothes पहनते हैं. Summer season में हम cotton clothes पहनते हैं. इन सम पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया, इंडिया के कुछ पार्ट्स में क्या होता है? स्नो भी गिरती है, ओले भी पड़ते हैं. इट बिकम्स वेरी फॉगी विच मेक्स इट डिफ़िकल्ट टू राइड अ बाइसिकल एंड ड्राइव. फॉगी वेदर होता है, फॉग होती है, धुंध होती है, उसमें हमें ड्राइव करने में मुश्किल आती है. ऑल द सीजन्स एंड देयर वेदर चेंजेस आर इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द क्रॉप्स. क्रॉप्स के लिए सारे सीजन्स और वेदर का चेंज होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Now we will discuss some questions. Weather is hot during dash season. Weather is hot during summer season. Trees shed their leaves in dash season. In autumn season, trees जो है अपनी leaves को autumn season में shed करते हैं. During winter dash and dash. During winter it is cold and dark. Dash season brings new life to our surroundings. Spring season brings new life to our surroundings. How many seasons are there? There are 5 seasons. Name: summer season, winter season, autumn season, spring season and rainy season. We carry umbrella to school in dash season. In rainy season we carry umbrella. We eat mangoes in summer season. We see many colorful flowers in the garden in spring season. You are allowed to play outside in the afternoon in winter season. You see heaps of dry leaves on the ground. In autumn season you see heaps of dry leaves, क्योंकि ऑटम सीजन में जो है लीव्स जो हैं वो झड़ जाती हैं, शेड हो जाती हैं. नाउ ट्रीज प्रिपेयर फॉर विंटर सीजन एंड ऑटम सीजन. द 5 सीजन्स आर स्प्रिंग, समर, विंटर, रेनी एंड ऑटम. Weather is cold during autumn season. Weather is pleasant during spring season. Fog is seen during winter season. Now, what is a rainbow? What is a rainbow? Rainbow is a curved arc of light of 7 colors across the sky. Those 7 colors are Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. What kind of clothes do we wear in winter season? We wear warm woolen clothes. And what kind of clothes do we wear in summer season? We wear light colored cotton clothes in summer season. We love to eat hot dishes and drink hot coffee, soup, etc. in rainy season. Thank you, everyone.